Explore how Pax Romana transformed Rome from chaos to prosperity, setting the stage for modern governance. Emerging from centuries of internal strife, the Roman Republic stood on the brink of transformation. Julius Caesar's climb to power and his initiatives started reshaping Rome, but it was Augustus who ignited the era known as the Pax Romana. His comprehensive reforms stabilized governance, military, and economy, while establishing the Praetorian Guard, transitioning Rome from disorder to an epoch of tranquility and growth. Augustus's adept stewardship turned Rome into a beacon of peace and prosperity, laying the groundwork for future systems of rule. Augustus Caesar, the visionary behind Rome's golden period, initiated the Pax Romana with groundbreaking builds, cultural ventures, and jurisprudential changes. The establishment of the Aqua Appia, Rome's initial aqueduct, alongside the strategic Via Appia, enhanced public wellness and interconnectedness, epitomizing the empire's revitalized cohesion and functionality. Cultivating a shared Roman culture, the commission of the Aeneid under his patronage bolstered national unity and pride, aligning citizens with ideals of tranquility and growth. The Lex Julia legal reforms, by incentivizing marriage and broadening citizenship, wove the empire's diverse populations into a singular, stable mosaic, paving the path for imperial grandeur and laying foundations for contemporary administrative systems and the harmonious integration of varied cultures. Building upon the foundation of unity and stability laid by Augustus, Rome embarked on ambitious projects, revolutionizing its economic landscape. The Via Appia emerged as more than a mere roadway. It transformed into the economic lifeline of the empire, connecting Rome to distant markets and cultures such as India, fostering unparalleled prosperity. Furthermore, the construction of the Aqua Claudia symbolized Roman ingenuity, ensuring abundant water for cities and farmlands. With the introduction of the denarius, Rome established a robust monetary system, pivotal for trade. These strategic advancements reflect Rome's holistic approach to nurturing economic stability and affluence during the Pax Romana. Following the economic revolution and infrastructural marvels introduced under Augustus, Rome continued to exhibit remarkable strategic foresight. The creation of the Via Appia stands as a testament to this, serving crucial military and commerce objectives. It not only enhanced the rapid deployment of legions, but also stitched the empire closer, fueling prosperity through trade. This highway symbolizes the seamless union of military strategy and economic vision that characterized the Pax Romana era. Furthermore, Rome's diplomatic acumen in forging alliances and nurturing client states amplified its reach, ensuring peace and stability without over-reliance on military might, illustrating a profound understanding of power dynamics and cultural integration. Rome's ascent to stability was further solidified through critical structural reforms. A reformed Senate and meritocratic civil service became the bedrock of efficient governance. Transformations within the Senate reduced past conflicts, establishing a dependable governing body. The cursus honorum system rewarded skills and achievements, elevating the role of merit in political progression. Additionally, fiscal innovation introduced a unified tax framework and optimized treasury procedures, strengthening Rome's economic structure. Innovations in census-taking supported this by ensuring taxes matched citizens' real wealth, laying the groundwork for enduring prosperity and sound governance principles. Building on the era's stability and prosperity, the Pax Romana era heralded an unparalleled bloom in culture and architecture, demonstrating innovation and wealth that remain unsurpassed. The Colosseum exemplifies Roman engineering prowess, utilizing concrete and arches creatively for durability. Likewise, the Pantheon boasts the world's still-standing largest unreinforced concrete dome, showcasing architectural genius. The Aqua Appia, the initial aqueduct, underscored Rome's advanced water management. Culturally, Virgil's The Aeneid unified Roman identity, while Ovid's Metamorphoses mirrored societal values, illustrating the era's combined architectural and cultural vibrancy. As the Pax Romana era manifested Rome's zenith, the narrative takes a darker turn with Emperor Commodus at the helm. His ascension heralded a shift from a system that prized merit to one riddled with nepotism, eroding the empire's governance backbone. This period saw the empire stretched thin economically, ambition leading to an unsustainable burden on resources. The unfolding financial crisis, marked by inflated currency and soaring debt, coupled with the devastating blow of the Antonine Plague, laid bare Rome's vulnerabilities, signaling the beginning of this Golden Age's end. As the Golden Age waned under Emperor Commodus, the principles and innovations of the Pax Romana didn't fade into obscurity. These advancements continue to shape our world, especially in governance, law, and peace initiatives. Rome's adoption of meritocracy heralded a transformative era in leadership selection, influencing today's civil services. Moreover, Roman jurisprudence, with the 12 tables at its core, laid foundations for contemporary legal systems, echoing through contract law and property rights. Additionally, the concept of deterrence, central to Roman peace strategies, remains integral to modern diplomatic and military tactics, underscoring Rome's indelible mark on current global practices.